We put 3 microphones to the ultimate test, hammering nails, cycling along, and setting a light to them on a barbecue to find if any survives. Nearly $500 worth of gear. Watch to the end to find out if any mic survives the ultimate mic test. Okay, this will be the test of the 3 microphones before any damage has occurred. Amazon Basics, yeah, no frills here. Handheld dynamic microphone, plug it in, and I'll do a quick test recording of the Amazon Basics dynamic microphone. This is a test of the Amazon Basics dynamic microphone, no damage inflicted yet, so hopefully you're getting a nice crisp, clear sound. Okay, now onto a condenser microphone, the ever popular AKG P420. This is the AKG P420. It's a condenser microphone that a lot of people use in studios. It's around $200 in value. It's a pretty decent microphone, actually. I'll be pretty sad to see this one destroyed. Mic check, mic check. This is the AKG P420. I'm a little bit scared that the components inside are a little bit delicate. I wonder how much they'll survive hammering nails into a plank of wood. Let's find out. Okay, I'm just going to power up the Rode VideoMic Pro. This has a lithium battery inside, so I'm particularly scared of damaging this one because it will probably burst into flames. The Rode VideoMic Pro, $239 worth of equipment plugged into my digital recorder. Should sound pretty good right now as it is currently undamaged. Let me know down in the comments which of these you think will survive the best. Look! Well, that wasn't a great start. Let's get started hammering. The Amazon Basics dynamic condenser microphone actually is shaped just like a hammer, makes a great hammer. Yeah, this is perfect for it. Look at that. Perfect. Yeah, not too much damage. I think that one's going to be all right. Let's do nail number 2. This is going to be with the AKG P420. I'm a little bit scared about this condenser mic getting some damage. But actually, I tell you what, the grill on this, that's pretty good. That's doing a good job too. But yeah, it kind of does the job. Actually, not very well at all. Let's get on to things. Oh, I just dropped the dynamic mic again. Whoops. Okay, let's get on to the Rode VideoMic Pro. Unfortunately, this furry sock doesn't make it a good hammer. It's kind of more like a mallet or a... Yeah, I don't really know how to hammer with this. I could hammer with the electrical side where the lithium battery is. Again, probably not the best idea. Don't do this at home. It's still on. Probably should power it down. I can actually pull the windsock off this. There we go. Okay, let's see if I can hammer with that. There's just no power with this at all. So winner of round number 1 will be the Amazon Basics dynamic microphone. It's strong, sturdy, and it hammered a nail right into the board. Okay, so which microphones, if any, survived the first test? Let's test the Amazon Basics condenser microphone. This is a test of the Amazon Basics condenser microphone after banging a nail into some wood. As you can see, just a few scuffs and scratches, but nothing too major. Hopefully, it still sounds okay. Now we move on to the AKG P420 condenser microphone. A little bit worried about the delicate components inside here. I've just hammered nails into a wooden board and dropped it on the floor a couple of times. But hopefully it's still sounding reasonable. I can see there's a signal on my digital audio recorder. This is a test of the Rode video... Oh, hang on. Is that recording or not? Okay. Let's do it again. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Having an issue with this one. No signal? Hello. No signal from the Rode. That's not a good sign. Banged a couple of nails with the Rode and I'm not getting a signal. Hello, hello. I'm really trying. Hello. Hello. Oh, yes, there is a signal. There's a signal from the Rode VideoMic Pro. I don't know how good it is, but it's being a little bit temperamental after banging nails. But remember, it does have its own lithium battery inside. Hopefully, the Rode will last the next test, the bike test. Okay, the bike test. So all mics attached to the back of this lovely mountain bike. I'm just going to do a quick route down along the seafront and see how they fare. Let's give it a go. That was a pretty good mic test, but it looks like one of the mics dropped off the side, which kind of adds to the drama here. The Amazon Basics held in, the Rode was nicely protected by the windshield, but we have a dead AKG P420 down there. Ah. That is some damage. So my tip is, don't try attaching microphones to the back of a bike and riding along with them. Okay, here we are with the Amazon Basics dynamic microphone. It's a stage microphone. It's used to being bashed around a little bit, so not too much cosmetic damage. Okay, here is the AKG P420 studio microphone. It's not used to being bashed around, it's used to being hung up in a nice shock mount in a radio studio. So how does the audio sound? It's looking the worse for wear after banging against the pavement on my bicycle, but hopefully the audio's intact. Now, the issue we've got with the Rode, despite having the least scuffs and bouncing off the pavement as I was cycling along, is actually getting the 3.5mm jack inside. Unfortunately, the damage to the microphone has meant that I cannot seem to plug this jack all the way in to get a signal. So I think the Rode has pretty much died at this point. Not getting a signal, so I'm hitting record just to check. Otherwise, if you're hearing me, this is me speaking into the lavalier that I have attached to me. I'm getting absolutely no signal despite jamming the 3.5mm jack all the way into the Rode VideoMic Pro. So despite it not having much cosmetic damage, I think it's pretty much dead. I'm about to throw it on the barbecue. I'm a bit worried that it has the lithium battery and it might pop in my face. So safety first, do not try this at home. Goggles going on for the next step. Okay kids, definitely do not try this at home. I've got a selection of microphones I've been testing all day today, hammering nails and cycling along with them. Now I've got some barbecue tongs, and look at that. Oh no, butterfingers again. So I'm going to first of all start off with the Amazon Basics $30 dynamic microphone for stage, and I'm going to throw it on the barbie. Get nice and close here so you can get a nice close-up here of this going on. Here we go, let's roast it. Where are the sausages as well? We need the sausages. Look at that, let's roast that one. And I think no barbecue would be complete without the wonderful AKG P420 studio condenser microphone. There we go. Definitely do not try this at home. Here is the Rode VideoMic Pro. It's got a windsock on and it's got a lithium battery. I'm just gonna throw it on the barbecue and I'm gonna run. And then we'll just watch and see if it goes into flames. So there's the Rode. Oh! It's hot. That is one dead Rode VideoMic Pro. I am testing the Amazon Basics dynamic microphone. I cannot see a signal. It's likely there's no signal, seeing as the insides were burning for about 30 minutes. But just in case there is a signal, the top is nice and crispy. No signal. Dead. Okay, after roasting and toasting the AKG P420, I can see on my digital audio recorder there is still a signal. But the question is, did it withstand the barbecue? And finally, here is what's left of the Rode VideoMic Pro. Nicely toasted and certainly a dead mic. So, in your opinion, which microphone withstood hammering nails, cycling and roasting on a barbecue? Let me know which mics you'd like me to test next in the ultimate mic challenge. Finally, remember, hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more.
Subscribe for more. MusicRadioCreative.com